Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. And for those of you who aren't new, who have been here from day dot, thank you for coming back. So today I am going to be working on my sister here, Miss Josette, using dip powders from Yayoge. It's my first time trying any products from Yayoge, and I don't know, I've watched a few of Femi's videos and she talks a lot about this company, their polygels, and yeah, so I got this from Amazon. It was on an offer, so I got it for I think £22.99 UK pounds. So I'm just gonna unbox everything and just let you see what's in there. So cute. This little kit was so cute. And the colors I do like, so I was like all the way happy. So I was able to put everything back in. So you do get your instructions and your steps for this dip. And guys, I mean, I guess I thought there was just, you know, the one way, but as usual, every company is different. So this particular instruction here doesn't tell you anything about encapsulating, and you'll see as the video goes on, I don't end up encapsulating, and I don't know if it's just the formula, but it worked. Sorry guys, my hay fever. Can we just check out this brush, please? Oh my gosh, it's got all my sister colors in there. So pretty. And you get your 1, 2, 3. So you have your base coat, you have your activator, and you have your top coat. And the base coat is what you need to put down on the nail first before you apply the powder. When you are finished, you need the activator to harden it, and then obviously your top coat for shine. I ended up using a gel top coat, but you'll see later on in the video. So you get some extra brush tips because they can get contaminated with dip, and you'll try to use that brush and it's hard, like rock hard. And these are some nail remover wipes. So these are really cute because what I can do is, using the foil system I got from Makartt to remove the gel, I can just put that in there. I'll try it and see if it works. But yeah, you get 10 of those, which is handy. Ooh, you get a face mask, and believe me guys, you need to wear one with dip. The powder, the dip powder goes everywhere, and you're going to end up breathing all of that dust in. So definitely wear your mask. Wear the mask. Even if you don't get one with your kit, we all own masks. Like pre-COVID, maybe not. You get this little dish to use. I didn't actually use it today because I knew it was going to be messy and I needed a bigger space than that. Otherwise I'd have to, I don't know, I would use it maybe if I was just using one color maybe. But yeah, I still kept it. Now you get this cute buffer file. So I may put that in my giveaway. And these are the 6 colors. I'll just let you enjoy them because I loved every one of them. Okay, guys, no, so you are not seeing things. The nails didn't just grow. So let me just tell you what happened. So I didn't get a clear dip powder with this kit. So I had bought this dip powder like a few months ago. Just a cheap one for practicing. I won't say the brand and name and shame them and all of that, but they may not have done anything wrong. It may just be that that brand and this Yayoge brand do not work well together. So the nail just wouldn't go hard, guys. I literally, shout out to Cheryl Simone. I've watched her channel so much in the beginning of my nail journey, because I did dabble a lot with dips. It was the easiest thing to start with. And she normally, so where you have that line of demarcation, she would normally just do just a little bit there and then dip. And then she will do like the rest of like the nail. Sometimes she even will do it 3 times. So she'll do that little bit, she'll do half, then she'll do the full nail. And I guess this all helps if you've got to build an apex, and for strength and everything. So believe me when I tell you, I had to go. What you see me do now is I had a tiny little bit of dip powder, and I didn't start with it because it was so little. I knew I'd have to be using it, reusing it, pouring it in. It was just crazy long. So that's why I went with this other brand. And it just didn't work. However, this brand worked fine. So because I was going to work with colors and everything, I just thought, there you go. Perfect dip. I wanted to put that down first and just have some strength on the nails. It's the practice hand, so I only did that once. In fact, I didn't do the steps I mentioned earlier. I just put the base coat down and just done one dip cover, and we were good to go. So I'm gonna let you guys watch. I just thought I'd come in and let you just know what happened, because you see the nail and you think, wait, it's twice the length now, what happened? But yeah, the dip happened. Yeah, so guys, this dip, I mean, I cannot even express how beautiful it is. I am watching and I'm just like, that purple glittery, oh, like I need to do a set with that. The thing is, I found like you have to really do a lot of layers, literally, because when I first put it down, it just, yeah, it was just like a sparkle, but it's worth it. Guys, I know this is dip, and with anything that you are doing, trust the process, because I started to look at these nails and I was like, I don't know, especially after I had all that issue with the Claire, and I literally started from scratch again. So I got rid of those tips, put new tips on, cut them and all that stuff again. So it was just like, oh. So yeah, I really just didn't want to take any further chances. I just had to trust that this process was going to work, that I could actually get to file the nails. Not even really file, but buff, because it's dip powder. So easy peasy. Oh my gosh, guys, this powder is everywhere. Like, it's amazing. Like, because polygel has its issues. People say it's sticky. I say it's sticky. But dip powder is very powdery. So you can see I had a piece of paper there that whole time. I was using paper, as well as I've got the tissue at the bottom, but it just, for me personally, I don't like the feeling of the too much powder business. Yeah, but I love dip powder. So, Yayoge, well done. So what I did was, you saw me collecting some of the powder, especially like the one that, I dust off the nail. I put it in this little tray here, the little dipping tray, because I'm going to use it to do a marble. If you've guessed it, you are right. Technically, it has all the colours, all the 6 colours. So I do go ahead and add little bits of colours in just to have the marble. But really and truly, it's just because of that dark colour, and some of it had already mixed up and stuff like that. So definitely I needed to add little bits of yellow and like what would you call that, like a turquoise colour. It looks blue, but to me it looks turquoise. So yeah, watch, guys. I went in twice, guys. I think I did like I dipped twice anyway. Maybe if it was on my actual hand, I would have done it. I would have probably done 3, maybe even more, because I would have wanted it to be strong, because I'm quite heavy-handed anyway. So I would have definitely wanted more powder on that. I do apologise if you can hear some background noise in my house. I'm sorry. I'm trying to do this voiceover tonight, but the house just got loud. Just randomly. So guys, if you've watched up to this point, then you've made it. Thank you so much for tuning in to another one of my Watch Me Work videos. I told you I had loads more. I'm working through my list, so please catch me in the next one. I'm actually expecting something tomorrow. A special polish. So if I do get that polish like early enough, because I want to do it on my hands. So yeah, I have changed the nails. I changed them. Well, I've taken them off at this point that I'm recording this voiceover. So yeah, I may do that. If not, I really don't know. All I can say is tune in. We'll probably do, well, I'm going to do some polygel, because Saturday I'm going to go live with Raven and Nailed by Envy. So that's Raven's reviews on YouTube and Raven's Nail Bar on Instagram. Nailed by Envy on all platforms. We're going to go live on Saturday and swatch some Candy Coated Creations acrylics that we got from Candice Joyner. So remember, I've been crying about my box. It came. Check out that video, please, guys. It's funny. Anywho, this is where I say goodbye. I'm going to let you watch this last bit of this video. I'm not going to disturb you. I love you all. Please tune into my next video. Please like, please share, please comment. Thank you for watching. Till the next one. Oh, did I say I love you? I love you guys. I love you.